Hello friends. Today we will discuss about Brahmagudi temple nearby Sri Kalahasteswara temple at Kalahasti. Before that, you people please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
On the hill rocks, there are many idols of all deities which are very finely carved many years ago and beautifully painted.
This temple just half kilometer from the main Sri Kalahasteswara temple. Chaturmukheswara temple has an idol of Lord Shiva with four faces and has bas relief carvings. Sri Brahma and Chaturmukheswara Swami are worshipped here.
According to a traditional story, here Sri Brahma pleaded to forgive Lord Shiva for getting rid of his Sisihatya sins and regained his ability.
So everyone can watch wonderful carvings by visiting this temple and to take blessings from Sri Chaturmukheswara.